Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is a continuation of the gentleman sent me. This is a side plan for a game for children or even adults, but it needs to have a dowel in here, and he didn't really ask for this, but I thought I'd kind of show him how to put the dowel centered in this hole. And if you didn't watch the first videos, we used a 3-inch circle to create that. But first of all, we need to find the center of this object. So we'll take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node, that node to that node, that node to that node. And you really only need those three. You can go ahead and do them all just to make sure you're right, perfect. But anyway, he used a I used a 3-inch circle to create it. So hold down the control button, and I'm going to make this a 3-inch circle. Now, if you will grab the top of this, it should snap right to that circle. Now we can take that circle and Control D and make a duplicate, move the rotation to the center, and rotate that 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Then you can actually get rid of these lines. You could take the virtual segment delete key and just swipe through them all and it'll delete them. It wouldn't hurt to have that line, but we don't really need it. And then take let's say he's going to use a 1-inch dowel. And I've got my ratio lock, so it does that. Now, because of that circle, it will snap to the center. Now, you can very easily just hit the plus key on the keyboard and just do that all the way around, or you could rotate it like we did in the other ones, but it'll snap to it. And the reason I'm not using the Control D is because if you Control D it, it's going to move it out of the picture. And then just take away this circle, the outer circle. And of course, you would want to put the center circle in there, but we already did that. And then I always suggest using the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And then that kind of seals it up or welds it. And there is your cutout with the circles perfectly in the center where they need to be. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.